Oh, Bubba, are you sick?
To the cake section. I look at all the cakes.
The pinky pong.
Cake. Amy, why are you getting cake? Well, here's the thing.
What's that sound? Whoa, no. Oh no, I think someone's gonna sneeze. Choo! Oh no, I am done for. Alright, let's do what I have to do.
Go carrot, go carrot, go.
Sorry, Pinky Pong! Sorry, wait. Guys, look at the Pinky Pong, it's gonna crash! Oh dear, what a pong. Hee hee, bye-bye.